welcome back to the channel where we share the best tech tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today I am going to show you how to change your Gmail signature. Having a professional email signature can make a great impression, so let's get started. First, open up your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you are logged into your account where you want to change the signature. Once you are in your inbox, go to the top right corner, click on gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop down, select see all settings. Now you will be in the settings panel. Look for signature section. Scroll down until you find it. If you don't have a signature yet, click on create a new. If you already have one and want to change it, click on existing signature to edit it. Enter the name of your new signature and click on create. Now you can type the format of your new signature in the text box and add your name, job title. So we will just write, click on create. So we'll write name, position and contact information. You can use formatting options to change the font, size, color and add links or images. Make sure your signature looks professional and easy to read. So we'll just pull this one for us and we can do all of the things. Once you're happy with this new signature, scroll down to the bottom of the settings and click Save Changes to apply your new signature. And that's it. Your new Gmail signature is now set up and ready to go. Every email you send will include your updated signature. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.